YouTube channel, Mr. Gold, and today we're going to be looking at the vr10000. So the vr10000 comes into an aluminium casing, as you can see, and an improvisation of impact proof of any downfall of your machinery for the case. So let's take a look at. Right, guys, so this is the vr10000 forward gas. So these are some various elements: the silver, gold, mostly emerald and diamond here. And to my right here is the depth or the vertical. So with 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meters up to 20 meters. And to my left here we've got horizontal, the range from 100 meters, 500 meters to 3 kilometers. So your elements here, simply just do that, the depth there. So let's try to turn it on, though it's not advisable to turn it on once not plugged into the ground, because it totally releases energy from your cathodes or your rods from here, which is positive and negative there. So that's your charging system, and you know, doing your testing there. So let's try to turn it on just once. So the machine is on. So do your selection there. So this is the foam, the impact foam, which comes with the machinery. So put your charger, big pin charger. Okay, so that's your receiver. So simply turn it on, just there. It's on, shows working, right? Your antenna point there, charging system, your headsets and indicator. So this is one of the rods, or fetch rods, which is actually connected there, either positive or negative. And this is your antenna, which is connected from the bottom to your receiver there, which when setting your rods, the positive has to be in the ground maximum point, reaching there, and your negative, once plugged into the ground, has to be set at least 50% of your rod there. Same as your antenna there, your positive has to come out or has to be longer than the negative, at least 50% or more. So with your rod there, it will simply direct you to the actual point of your main rod. So a good example is, here's your area, here's your ore body going that way, and here's you doing your scanning with your antennas pointing you that direction. So once you reach that point, your antennas will cross. here you are. Which at that point your antennas will cross. So try to move forward until you discover that point of which your antennas point you backwards, crossing that point, which will indicate that's your boundary of your body, say your copper. So try to walk again sideways. Say here's your end point of your body. So the machine will end up crossing at that point. This will simply show you making your own design, your own design of the hole or your shape. Okay, say that's your end point. Saying from that point, going that way, let's say 50 meters. From that point, going that way, that's 100 meters. So a total of length is 150 meters. And total width, saying indicating from that point to this point, showing 30 meters. So simply doing this, you'll be able to calculate the actual volume of the whole body. Then say you want to know your depth of your material for this whole body. Okay, so here you are on the surface. So doing your scanning there. So once your rods detect that point, say your point is set at 5 meters or 50 meters plus for the sun. So your frequency will come there, use your bottom part, and mind you, you have to leave someone on your machinery so that that person will be able to change your frequency depth, say from 50 meters to 100 meters. So your starting point is there, 50 meters, and 100 meters there. That's your end point. So meaning this is the overall overburden from that point to surface to certain point of the mineral. So meaning your 100 meter ends there, indicating the thickness of the whole body is 50 meters. So after doing this task, you'll be able to calculate the volume of the whole body. So guys, thank you very much. The next step, we'll check out my next episode and we'll be able to do the calculation of the entire whole body and the number of years you'll be able to mine your hole. Thank you guys.